Welcome back. We have a lot of ground covered.
Yeah, a lot.
When we were with you last, we were at Georgia Veterans State Park. And so we want to kind of bring you up to speed to where we are and then wrap up Lake City, which is where we've been.
Yeah.
Drive 40 minutes in order to find a groomer that had availability. Apparently that is the business to be in. If you know somebody wanting to start a new business, get into dog grooming, because it is very difficult to find a dog groomer with openings that aren't like 2 months out. So I think I called 2 or 3 and they were not accepting new clients anymore, and I finally found this lady, and she had an opening this morning. So I drove the dogs over, and then I went to Madison's house and worked there for the morning, and now we're on our way back. the little thing. Little probably 6-8 week old calico kitten. She was crying outside the campground just beside the road, and I'm on my way to take her to an animal shelter because we can't do a cat. We don't want to do a cat right now because of the dogs and in the camper and all that kind of stuff. She's not going to Madison. I've not given her to my younger daughter. But we are going to try and find her something, because I couldn't just leave her out there on the side of the road. She was just crying all by herself, starving. She's just nothing but skin and bones. So, that's what we're doing. So shout out to Madison and Jason, because they're meeting me to take her so that they can take her to the animal shelter for me tomorrow, because the animal shelter's closed right now. And it doesn't open until noon tomorrow, which is about the right time that we'll be pulling out of the campground to head to our next campground. And big shout out to Chris. He did good. He brought me the truck and the dog cage, no problem. Truth be told, I probably could have kept the cat if I wanted to, but he helped me get the cat without a fuss, and he's sitting back at the camper while I'm driving her to somewhere. So there you go. Okay, happy update. Madison posted a picture of the kitten in this Facebook group, and she had somebody actually respond to say that they liked the kitten. So I met Madison and Jason at Walmart, and we went and bought the woman, and I guess the kitten. We bought a little cat carrying case and a litter box and some food, and now Madison and Jason are driving the kitten over to the woman's house. So that is perfect, because we didn't leave the little kitten starving on the road or to be hit by a car, and we didn't end up with a cat. None of us ended up with a cat, and the cat didn't go to the animal shelter. So that is a perfect ending. Just thought you'd like to know. I was super happy about it. Crossroads Coach at the RV in Lake City, South Carolina. We've been here for 2 weeks.
Yes. I mean, great campground, super clean. Probably the cleanest campground we've been to. Sod, landscaping.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, clean bathrooms.
Gated.
Gated.
Has a security code to get in, so you feel very secure.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Lake City is awesome. It's a cute little town.
Yeah, yeah.
Lots of history. Has a big train. train track that goes through, and so like the trains are serious. They're going through all the time.
They're like 300 yards from the camper, and throughout the night they'd wake me up.
Yeah.
You know, and then all day you'd hear them. Yeah, it was.
I think I still hear them.
A lot of trains. A lot of trains.
But I'm kind of a nerd like that. Like I like trains. I like the sound of trains and
now,
history.
Yeah, we've been able to see Madison and Jason and Genesee.
Yep.
Me and Jason took a good ride. It was way too hot for that.
Hot ride. I think that's the worst part is the heat and the humidity in kind of the low country of South Carolina is legit.
Yeah, it was rough. Messed my hair up.
We've been inside
most of the time.
Most of the time with the windows drawn, and like it is so hot. It's so hot. It's so hard to go outside.
Yeah, we've been able to do some projects though. Some extra support underneath the underbelly.
Yep.
We got our awning screens,
yep.
sun screens. We got them on. So yeah, we've done some things.
Yeah, overall it's been a good stay. It's just been hot.
Yeah, it's been hot.
So
I look forward to going north.
Yes. We got one stop to go. We're going to Myrtle Beach Travel Park next week. That's our annual, I call that the original Port of Pilgrimage.
Sure. I know, I look forward to that too. A little stressful getting into the campground, and hopefully we fit.
Yeah.
It's going to be tight.
That's kind of the question. We've gotten a little bit bigger since last year.
Yeah.
So we've got that to go, and then we head north from there. So all in all, about a month in South Carolina.
Yeah.
Look forward to wrapping up South Carolina and then heading north from there.
Yeah, it's been good so far.
Yeah. So thank you for watching.
Yep, like and subscribe.
And we'll see you in the next one.
See y'all. Bye.
And so that left you at home with the dogs for a week, which he survived. The dogs survived.
Well, Benadryl.
Yeah. You're warm enough. Jack is like two seconds away from $20 strapped to his collar and free to a good home on his way to his next opportunity. He doesn't calm down. He's quiet right now, but ugh. Did I tell you that when we stopped for snacks at the Ingalls on the way to River Vista,
I remember.
Chris was like, get me a candy bar and get me some water, because it was very stressful.
Yeah.
So I walked up to the counter. I had like a
you had
Snickers
tons
and
of stuff.
Twix, a caramellos, some potato chips, and I threw an extra Twix on the counter. He's like, just the essentials, huh? I was like, I appreciate your humor, sir.
Yeah.
It's been that kind of day.
It was a rough day.
Yeah, it was a rough day. Good job. Look at you.